Hello guys, what is up? I made a video a couple days ago about how to make custom forms on Dragon Block C, but it was not in depth enough, really, I don't think. And I mean, I think I should just go through the whole entire process on my on a server, a test server that I made just for this video, pretty much. So yeah, so here we go. First step of getting custom forms in Dragon Block C server is you need to get a couple things first. You need plugins, okay? First plugin you need, Super's Custom Forms. It is right here. Link will be in the description. All you got to do is click download now and click save, all right? And once it downloads, I've downloaded it before, but for my server, but you download it and then it should be in the downloads, right? And what you do is you go in here and go to your server, which is, I use this server for like testing stuff, so. But if you go to plugins, put this in here, Powers Custom Forms, put it in there, like so. Just drag it in, boom. And then you'll need one more plugin, which is actually you need two. One is Power MBT, which is this one. And you'll just click download here and save it and put it in here. Since I already have it in here, I'm not going to do that. But then go to on Super Custom Forms, see where it says add-on plugin, click that. And then click download now on this plugin, save it, open it, and then drag it into your plugins. Now, if I start the server, just wait for this to open. I just got a text on my phone. Alright, server's about to be up. So, go to multiplayer. Who's on there? No. Wait for it to pop up. Here we go. Join server. And then it should load you into the server. While I'm recording though, my computer's kind of slow. Oh well. Alrighty, here we go. We're in the server, right? Okay, let's say this is your server. Okay, so how this works, how this how this mod or this plugin works is you need to do /sm, right? And you can look at your custom forms. Now, by default, there is God of Destruction, basically, not God like Super Saiyan God. And then UI, which is Ultra Instinct, and you can click select form and select whatever you want. But we do not want these. But yeah, we do not want these in here. At least I didn't on my server, so I took them out. And how you do that is you go into your server files, right? Right here. And then you go to plugins, right? And you go to super forms and open the config right here. Open that. Alrighty, here we go. Yes, wherever else. Okay, here we go. Here we go. If you scroll up, this is the super forms config. Where it says add forms right here, put it to false and save it. Boom. And then go to plugins, right? Go to super forms, add forms, and go to config. Now, I'm going to put a done, like after I do this coding real quick, like after this, I'll put this up link in the description to a paste bin where you can get the already done code if you do not want to go through this with me. But I recommend watching, but it's your choice. So what you need to do is you need to take all of these hashtags out of here. So like this. Where you backspace it and then put a space. Backspace, space, backspace. And you just go through all of them like this. This one you gotta put 2 in, but. And I'll explain why you do this in a minute. try to go faster. Now you could do replace on these, but then you got to do spacebar on all of them anyways, so there's really no point. Because you would have to spacebar it anyways, so like you have to go through. Okay, we are done almost. We just need like a few more. Alrighty, here we go. So, boom. So then we got a form right here, right? Let's say you wanted to make, we'll just do Future Super Saiyan like it's on my server, okay? So what we'll do is we'll go here, go to example, and let's put Future Super Saiyan, right? No defaults, make sure that is false, okay? And then formatted name, you need a string here, not just this, like, text. So what you need to do is you need to put quote, like double quote, and then put the name. So I'll just put Future Super Saiyan, right? Okay. And then color, you can make it whatever you want. I'll just put E. I don't know what color that is, but oh well. Menu location, put that wherever. I'll just put it on 16. Particle, you can make it whatever you want, but I am just going to put, let's see here. This link will be in the description as well, the particles. So when you go to particles, there is quite a bit of particles here that you can use. I am just going to use lava because why not? It's just whatever. So let's just put lava, right? And then menu ID is what pops up in the menu. I just keep it normal. It doesn't really matter. Item damage doesn't matter. Upgrade item ID doesn't matter. Damage item doesn't matter. Speed, this is important. This is how fast you run when you're in there, like in the form. I think 0.2 is default, so I mean I would put like 0.8. It's fast, not too fast, but fast. And then race, right here. Now I'll have the codes in the description, but you can set it so only certain races can do that. Use it. You could set it to whatever, but -1 is any race, which I use. And then there's DBC forms stack. Now, me on my server, I have Future Super Saiyan pretty powerful, so I don't stack it. But if you want them to be able to use like Super Saiyan 4 from the mod and this, you do false. But if you want true, then if you don't want them to be able to use like DBC forms plus this, then put false if you want them to. But it's, you know, it's whatever. So what I do is I just select them all, search, replace, right? And then replace false with true, I believe. Or, I mean, I think so. Or I'll just put, never mind, I'll just put true. Or false, yeah, false. That's, okay, it did it. So we'll have false. And then hair color, you can set that to whatever you like. To get the hair color, you need to go into your server and do get, let me see here. Supers forms get hair color, and then let's just put my name, which is the rival, right? And your hair color will say in the chat. So I'll just go full screen for you guys so you can see it, and then make the scale a bit bigger. All right, so to change the hair color, what you need to do is you need to go over to Kami here, right? And go to Start Anew. And then click V and go to hair and click the color, right? And you can change the color whatever you want. For Future Super Saiyan, I would say make it like bright yellowish, orangish, I guess. Like this maybe, that could work. And then just click next and then go to key, right? And go to aura. And this is what I use. I just go to the same thing, yellowish orange, click next, you'll accept. And if you press R and that's what you like, I mean, this is okay for now, then keep it. And then what you do is you do this same thing, get hair color, open this, pull it over, okay? And then you enter inside here the code, which is 16I7N. And then what you do is in aura color is you go to get and then go to aura, right? And then it'll give you your aura color. So then, and these commands will be in the description, no problem. And then you put 16, you know, put whatever one you want. It doesn't really matter. But, okay, there we go. 163738. Okay. That's right. And then default damage is just, or actually buyable. I put false so people can't buy it, but it's, you know, it's your choice. But yeah, and then damage default, you can set that to whatever you want. What I do is I just keep it 0 on all of them. Well, I put 10, but then just keep it all the same. But then for damage multiplier, you should put, like, maybe for Future Super Saiyan, I put 3 on each of them, so you get 3 times the damage, basically, or around there. So I just set all mine to 3. You could make it so each level goes up 1, but since it's non-viable, I mean, because for on my server, you immediately get level 5, which means you get everything. So it doesn't stack, though, so it would just be 3 times. And then default regen is how fast your regen is. I keep that the same. And then default defense, you can change that to whatever you want. It's how much defense you get when you're in it, in the form. Cost, I keep that to 0 since it's not viable. And then dodge chance, I just keep that to 0.1 because that's fine with me. And then click save. And then you stop your server. After you save both of those, you stop the server, right? And then what you do is you go in here, go here, make sure it's all saved, and then start up your server, basically. Let's stop my server real quick. Alrighty. So, yeah, if we go and we just wait until it pops up, which will take another 25 seconds. And by the way, guys, if you're still watching, thank you. I appreciate it. Because you will have epic custom forms on your server because of it. All right, it's almost open. Almost. Okay, here we go. Loading. Here we go, connect. Alrighty, now, if we go in-game, right? If we go in-game, make sure you're opt for this, and your highest permission plugin, you're the highest rank. Start a new, and then if I go in here and change the hair color to black, and basically, if it works, black, next, key, aura color, black, next, accept. Now, if I go R, it's fully black, right? But then, if you go /sm set form, right? Or no, /supers forms, it'll tell you the commands. Do /form, okay. Form future Super Saiyan, right? And then go level 5 for me, because that's the highest rank, and then give. All right, you have successfully given name future Super Saiyan form level 5. If you do /sm, go to select form and click future Super Saiyan. It'll select, and if you double press shift, you have the flames, hair color, press R, and you have the aura. So basically that's how you make custom forms, guys. You can just copy paste the code and make another one if you like. All the links and such will be in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if this helps you out any, please subscribe, like the video, and comment if you have any more if you have any more issues, or if you have any issues with anything, let me know. I will put the Discord invite in the description to the developer of the mod in case you need support if I cannot help you. But yeah, and so yeah. And by the way, just so you guys know, to ascend and descend into it, you double click shift. That's how you do it. So yeah. I hope this helped you out, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video.